Hi everyone, it's Lynn. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm popping in with my make for my hashtag Scrappy Scraps and Strips. So this is a challenge that I host once a month where you turn your scraps into strips. I've got a number of people taking part, so thank you ever so much to everyone who has joined in so far. If you would like to join in, you are very, very welcome to do so. Use the hashtag Scrappy Scraps and Strips, and don't forget to tag me in at Contenta Crafts. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to get started on my make. Okay, so I've got some strips cut there, and these pieces can safely go into the bin now. I've also got these scraps of paper. This one is what's left over from a paper pad from the lovely Andrea the Cumbrian crafter. I'm going to cut these down into strips. I've also taken a strip of white card that was in my stash, and I'm going to start popping the strips onto the white card. What I'll try and do here is just pop a thin layer of glue, and I'm going to do it like this. Then I'm going to get my little plastic tool and see if I can spread the glue about so that it's not all in little lumps. So I'll take this and spread the glue like this. If I need some more, I'll obviously add that in a second. I'm going to start popping the strips onto the paper. So I'm going with that one first. Then we'll go for a nice yellow one next. Pop that like that. Then we'll go for this pink one like that. And then I'm going to just pop this yellow one down the side like this. Next, I've got my peel off strips, which I did say I was going to try and incorporate these more into my craft. So I'm going to peel one of these, pop that one to the center, another one like that, and my last one at the other end. Next, I want to just trim everything off. So pop this in to my trimmer. I've finished my strip and I've gone on to make a smaller one. I've then folded these strips in half. I've taken my crocodile and I've punched a hole in the larger one, and I'm going to do that in this smaller one. So just decide where I want it. I'm going about there and just away from the edge like that. That's that one. I've got myself a pink paper clip. This is a larger paper clip. Taken my little strip of paper, pop this along the long side of my paper clip, slip it over until I get to the fold line. So pop your glue all the way down the piece of card. And then wrap this piece, pull it across, and stick it together. I'm taking the large one and I'm just going to slot that through. Again, take the glue, pop some glue across there like so. Flip that up, pop some going down the card again, and then we want just a little bit running up the side here, like so, because this piece is going to sit over the top of there. Bring that down and then hold it there until everything's stuck together. And where I've punched the holes into the bottom of my strips of paper, I'm just taking my crocodile, I've popped an eyelet in, and I'm going to just close that like that. So moving on to the one with my blue strips. So I've cut the papers down and I've got my strips here. This is also a piece of scrap white card, and I'm just going to start with my strips of blue paper, and I'm taking these in a diagonal across. Oops, I think we'll have that one that way. That looks a little bit, oh, we go back that way, yeah. So my strips are different widths. They're not necessarily all the same width. I just think it adds to the finished look. This strip I'm turning over from the foil side and I'm popping it onto the speckle side. Let's pop that one there. Next one I will pop just there. I'm having to just use tacky glue, typical. The tape runner has run out. I must remember to get myself one. The next one I'll pop just there. This one I will pop just there. And what else have I got? Looking at the little strips that's left. So what I'll do is I'll continue down my piece of card and then I'll pop back. So that's the diagonal strip all stuck down, and this is the bit I love when we cut those off like this. So, and again, just along the top here and down the side. Just move those pieces to the side, and then there we go. There is the lovely diagonal strips. So then next, what I would do with this is I'll have two of these strips of paper. It would be folding my strips in half like so, and then when I folded it over, I will punch a hole through the strips, so just away from the two edges, so away from the bottom and this side edge, somewhere like that. I've got one of my large blue paper clips. Taking my strip, I will slot that through the paper clip, pop some glue onto the paper clip along the fold line down the back here and stick these two together. I've done 2 of the blue striped ones, the stripes going diagonally across. I've slotted the pieces of card through the paper clip, the wider of the 2 strips and the longer of the strips just sits over the top of the smaller one. Pop my glue in and I'm just putting that together. Okay, so I'll show you my 2 finished paper clips in a moment. I did think I was recording and obviously I wasn't. So I'm going to show you the next step on this one. Next, what I've done is I've taken a jump ring, I've opened it up and I've got myself a length of chain. What I want to do is slot the chain through the jump ring, and then on the bottom link of the chain I've got this lovely silver heart embellishment, and I'm going to thread that to the bottom of my chain, and then I'll close this up. Okay, so that's that. And then the jump ring, I'm just taking my embellishment and I'm going to pop through the eyelets and close it up. And there would be your lovely dangly heart. I'll pop this one to one side for the moment and I'll bring in the 2 I made earlier. So I'll show you this one first. So here I did the blue paper clip and the strips of paper going diagonally. I popped a little eyelet in, and then on the bottom of the eyelet I've added some chain and an anchor. And then out of my stash I've got this little boat which I'm just going to pop on like so. And then the first one I made was the pretty pink and lemon strips of paper. Here I've added a lovely glittery pink butterfly and a lovely silver flower embellishment at the top there. I've popped my eyelets and some chain, and at the end of the chains I've popped 2 gorgeous little hearts. So that is the lovely pink and lemon one. So these would be great in Happy Mail. They would be fabulous in your journals. I'm also thinking they could be used as bookmarks. So I've brought in one of my books and I'm just going to pop this over like so. And if we turn that across, bring that round, there you could have it as a bookmark. And then if you wanted to pop any extra decoration on the back, if you use it as a bookmark, it would look absolutely fabulous. So just another idea that they can be used for. So there you go, there's my finished paperclip embellishments today using my scraps and turning them into strips. Just another idea to use up all of your scraps and strips of paper. So thank you ever so much for joining me today. If you like what you see, would you please consider giving me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Also, if you haven't already subscribed, would you consider subscribing to my channel, and it will really help me out. I would be ever so grateful for this. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day. Happy crafting. Take good care of yourselves and bye-bye for now.